After tawaf alwada, can we start with can we stay? Okay, can we stay in Makkah? Okay, basically we should leave. طيب, not يعني the scholars mentioned that it's okay to stay in Makkah. يعني for example, now when we go to Hajj, it will be a group. Maybe in the group 200 people, 300 people. So it is not possible that everyone, all the group will be in tawaf together. So maybe I do the tawaf and I go to the hotel, and some people will do the tawaf maybe after 1 hour, 2 hours they finish. So the point is, you do the tawaf, then you stay in Makkah. What is the purpose? I am waiting my group. So this is okay if you are waiting your group. But for example, wallahi, I do the tawaf al-wada, then I stay in Makkah 3 days for shopping. No, this is you need to do tawaf again. You do tawaf again, tawaf wada. But I do tawaf wada, then I come to the hotel in Makkah, and I put my things in I prepare the luggage, and I wait the other friends and the family. This is okay. Okay, maybe you need to wait maybe 2-3 hours, 5 hours. It depends on your group, and it is crowded.